What is going on, guys? So if you've been watching my videos for a little bit, you know that my 240 is not running. And this is what I got to replace the motor. And the last time I worked on it, I said I'm not going to spend any more money on it because it's just been a pain. Well, before I said that, I had this already ordered. So I'm going to install it, or at least attempt to. It's an EGR Block Off Plate. It's already been paid for, so technically not spending any more money on it. And if that doesn't fix it, then I'm gonna be real depressed because I haven't driven my car since February and it is now July. And also, we're not even that close to getting this in. We're actually sort of close. We're about halfway. We're pretty close to dropping the motor in the car, but getting it running is a whole other story. Okay, so the EGR Block Off Plate goes literally right here, right where my finger is. It sits right here under this, and I don't want to take the intake off, so I'm gonna have some fun. I'm gonna get this. This is the vacuum line for the brake booster. I'll get out of the way, and essentially we're taking this off, and the EGR loops around and connects to the exhaust right there, and that's the pipe that connects to the exhaust. Okay guys, so it turns out this right here is a plug, and it was unplugged, and I don't know if it's been unplugged. I'm not sure what it's for as well, but it was unplugged, so I plugged it back in, and then we're gonna try to start it right now, and maybe that was the only issue. Okay, so we've got this off now. We took all the screws out, but this tube back here is what's holding this on now. So we'll take that off, and then we'll be able to take this off, put the block off plate on, and I have to figure out something as far as that tube goes. Okay, so we got her out. There's so much room for activities there now. This mess. This is the hard part. Getting this off. These two. This one's not so bad because it's literally straight down from here, but there's one right here, and then the other one there you have to use a wrench. You can't use a socket because you can't get a socket around this and a ratchet at the same time. It's not enough room. And then I ended up just cutting the tube that goes across because I could not pull it out. I'm just taking a little break real quick because it's really hot today. Luckily we do have a breeze, but it's just not enough. It really isn't. Yesterday it was 120. It's insane. What is it right now? That's what I have to look forward to this week. But I did make a little bit of progress before taking the break. As you saw, we did get the EGR off, and I do have the block off plate on. I put some red RTV gasket maker around it, and then I put the gasket on, and then I put the plate on, because I've heard on forums people saying that even with that gasket that it comes with, they still have issues with it leaking a little bit. So I put some gasket maker on to help with that. So hopefully that's not an issue anymore. I really wish Nissan found a better spot to put the EGR. So there's the block off plate on. Honestly, like, these two aren't too bad when the plate's on. That one back there is kind of hard. You don't have a whole lot of room to fit a wrench, so if you have a shorter wrench, then that's good. But this wrench is sort of long. It was sort of hard to get it to work. Okay, so like you saw, we've got that plate on. I just put the brake booster vacuum line, that's this one. I just reconnected it down there. And over here, I still haven't blocked that off, that 90. But I just want to start the car first and see if that fixed it. that didn't fix it. Like, that did nothing, like, at all. So I don't know what else it could be apart from like the ECU, which I don't want to order one and then it not be the ECU, because ECUs are kind of expensive. So I'd rather not. And I told myself I'm not going to pour any more money into this because we got to get the RB going. So yeah, I mean, did the EGR delete? Didn't help. So couldn't have been that then. Well, I cannot wait to get this out of here. Project cars are a love-hate relationship. Right now it's a hate relationship, really. This is the love part for me, is the RB, but she's not running right now because I still got more stuff to get. So neither of my motors are running right. Unless someone wants to let me borrow their ECU so I can see if that's the issue, and if that is the issue, then I'll definitely get a new ECU just to be able to drive the car because it's been so long. I hate seeing it just sit, and I hate not being able to drive it. Alright, well, thank you so much for watching. Leave a like if you did. Comment down below if you think there's anything I can do to get this running right. And also let me know if you guys are excited about the RB. And definitely check all the videos I've got on that so far. It's come a long way. I've got links up there. Pretty soon we're going to be messing with the timing of it, because I just did a double check and realized that I want to change all that stuff. So yeah, we'll get that changed. And then hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.